Today is our Dual Language Immersion program open house.
Leche.
We're so excited to invite our board members, our cabinet members, and many of our committee who supported us as we founded this program here in Birmingham City Schools.
Mayúscula.
Mayúscula.
Minúscula.
Minúscula o minúscula?
Mayúscula.
Mayúscula.
This is the first program not only in Birmingham City Schools, but in the state of Alabama. Dual Language Immersion is where students learn English and Spanish throughout their day. My students will learn math, Spanish, and science in Spanish, and they learn reading and social studies in English. So they will be bilingual at the end of kindergarten. It's exciting because there are so many opportunities for our students to go on and have careers where they participate as bilingual workers and learners. So this is just the very beginning. Each year we will add a grade, so these students will go all the way through elementary school in a biliterate classroom, so they will speak, write, and know how to understand Spanish and English. And that's for our native English students and for our ESL students.